Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows features not showing working. We are going to open the command prompt as administrators. We click on Yes to have access. Here, execute the command that you see on the screen and that you find in the description of the video. Press Enter. Now enter the letter I to confirm. Press Enter. After this, analyze the file system with the command sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for this analysis to be carried out. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, you can see the result of the analysis. You will restart your system to complete the process. When you access it again, turn Windows features on or off so that you can see that they load correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.